may have to pull the seat forward here just a hair. You lift up the front of the seat and pull forward, and here are the hooks that they're actually hooking to when you poke your hook through the hole. So they are there. They're just hidden by this Velcro flap here. Put your seat back, push your seat belt back into the hole there, and push the seat back, and then push down on the front, and it should snap back into its place. But I put car seats in here regularly for my children, and it really is actually not that difficult. I do have the buckle style, so I usually just shove them in, and there's no problem getting them in there. They just snap in right away, and the buckle part usually still sticks out the edge of it.